Okay, go guys. Hello.
And showtime.
Hi kids, what's your name?
I'm Karen.
Linda.
And happy birthday, Linda.
Thank you, Mr. Elephant.
So, do you want to sing a happy birthday song?
Sure.
Happy birthday
Birthday
to you. Happy